YouTube, what's up? This Big Dog, aka Big Guns 215, also just Rodney. Usually I'm on the PlayStation 4 network, but today I'm gonna embark on a new journey. I'm gonna attempt to build my first computer ever. As you can see, I got everything required for a successful test. I got my cup of coffee, got my anti-static mat that I've been doing some research on. I got the anti-static wristband from off of eBay. Let's hope it works because it's eBay. Um, For my monitor, I'm going to be testing this Asus MX279H. I use it with my PlayStation, and the thing is beautiful. It's boss. For the power supply, I'm going with the Corsair RM550 fully modular series. Since I'm going to be building an HTPC case, I heard that full modular power supply is definitely a desirable option. For the motherboard, I got a mini ITX Asus Maximus Impact ROG, of course. And for the graphic card, I got the Asus GTX 750 Ti. Not top of the line, but it's not crap either. And this is going to be an HTPC build anyway, so it won't matter. Memory G-Skill. I got more stuff coming, so I'm just going to go ahead and test this stuff before I get past the limit where I can send things back just to make sure everything is working, and I'll update you as soon as other items come in.